Hello, hello, and welcome to the Fall for Watercolor Challenge. This is day one. Today we are starting off nice and easy peasy lemon squeezy. We are going to be painting a fall leaf, and we are just going to practice our leaf shapes, okay? So when we're painting a fall leaf, this is a nice introduction to using our brush, using the pressure of our brush to create different types of shapes, different types of strokes. So if you are using a brush, I would hope that you're using a brush. I don't know what else you'd be using. I'm using a round brush. And so a round brush has a little tippy tip that's nice and pointy. And it has a belly of the brush here that can be actually smushed to make a thicker mark. So if you look here, I'm getting my paint puddles. My paints are already ready to go. So you can actually do really thin lines by using the tippy tip of your brush. Okay, so maybe practice this on a scrap sheet of paper. But you can also push down deeper. Here, let's get a little zoom in here. Okay, you can also push down harder and get a thicker stroke. Okay, so we are going to use those two moves. I like to call them Ballerina on our tippy toes. Ballerina, do, do, and Sasquatch. Okay, and when we are painting leaves, we are going to basically start at Ballerina on our tippy toes and then push down like Sasquatch and gradually lift up like a ballerina. So again, tippy toes, push, and pull up. And so we get our little stem, we get our leaf, and then we get our little tip of our leaf. Let's see if I can actually add like a side view so you can see my brush in action. Let's make this guy the head kahuna, okay? So let's try this again. So I'm gonna go tippy tip, push, and up. Okay, tippy tip, push, and up. All right, so I think we are ready to try it on our little official sheet. All right, so let's go here and, okay. Oh, trying to figure out my new thing. Okay, so here we are. Thank you for your patience and technology. Okay, so I have my little leaf practice. I've made a little frame for myself. And what I want to do is I really want to play around with these new colors. I got my Da Vinci watercolor paints and I'm so excited. And I just want to see them all mix and blend together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick, let's see, I think I've got that permanent red here. I'm going to push down and push up. I'm just going to make a couple in this darker red here. Push down, push up. Okay, maybe one here. And I like my paint puddle to be like nice and juicy. I want it to be swirly whirly. So as I swirl my paintbrush around in it, I don't know if you can see. Let's get this in the screen. Okay, it's really swirly. It can flow really well. So I'm able to, my brush is able to pick up a lot of liquid. If you're finding that your brush is looking kind of brushy, like you're seeing the brush strokes, maybe try to make a bigger paint puddle, or it may just be that your brush is not super absorbent. And that's okay too. If you're looking for some absorbent brushes, I really like the oh my gosh, Aqua Elite from Princeton brushes. Those are always a good fan fave. And I'm like crossing paths with the leaves that I've already done. I love to see the colors blend and bleed. All right, I think this is Permanent Rose Quinacridone, this little pinky one, which I don't know if that's super fallish, but I'm here for it, you know. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm talking about the like brushiness. So I could either get a little bit of water, I can make a bigger, wetter, juicier paint puddle, or I could let the brushiness just kind of happen, which I don't hate. I can also, don't be shy, move your painting around so you can get a better angle. Like your hand is not meant to be used at all the angles. Like just work to your strengths, baby. Okay. All right, I'm grabbing some of this Hansa Yellow. Hansa Yellow Deep. So this has kind of like a nice orangey color to it. I don't know, it's perfect for fall. It just makes me think of like sunflowers, which who doesn't love thinking about sunflowers? Some of these look a little like feathers, you know, and I'm fine with that. These colors are making me so happy. If you guys are interested, if y'all are interested in learning more about Da Vinci watercolor paints, they have a ton of really great educational information, and I'm loving them so much that I've actually become an affiliate for them. So if you're interested and want to support my problem of buying too many art supplies, you can check out my link below. So no pressure, just big fan, and never hurts to also get a little supply money. All right, this one is Hansa Yellow Light. It's kind of got like a lemon yellow feel to it. Oh my gosh, I love how it spills into the other colors. And this technique where, oh my gosh, I'm like not even stopping to breathe. I'm so excited. So this technique where we allow the watercolor of the different colors, the different brush strokes to bleed into each other. This is called the wet and wet technique. And so we use the wet and wet technique to allow for that really whimsical, exciting spread and flow of colors. And sometimes it can be predictable and sometimes it can't. And that's honestly almost more fun. All right, this is going to be olive green here. I feel like when I first started watercolor, I was like, yeah, the wet and wet is so cool, but like not for me. It is too unpredictable and mama needs some reliability. Okay. And that's okay, you know, but I find that the more I paint and the more I dig into watercolor, the more I'm yearning for that unpredictability. You know, life is so predictable. Life has so many demands, so many things, and watercolor is asking nothing of you. You know, watercolor is just here to allow you to play and explore, see the world. I don't know. Now I'm just yapping, but getting philosophical, but truly like really don't allow this. I know challenge, you know, you think challenge, do your hardest, do your best, get into it. Like that's not what this is about. Okay. My little babies, like this is about taking some time to do something for you, taking some time to relax, taking some time to that isn't stress, that isn't something that's nagging at you. So it's like, you know what? Maybe paint one leaf like this. That's fine. Okay. I'm vibing. I'm feeling it. And I can't stop, you know? I love this. Ah, so cute. She's so cute. I love it. And if I were to keep painting, you know, I could allow this to dry and do more layers over top. Sorry, it's a little out of picture. I could also go back in with a little micron pen and make some like little leaf shapes, which could be kind of fun. Either way, it is making me so happy seeing all these paints on the page. I hope you have enjoyed our first day of the Fall for Watercolor Challenge. I cannot wait to see what you painted. If you are feeling ever so bold, make sure that you tag me with the hashtag FFWC for Fall for Watercolor Challenge and tag me at Splatter and Bloom. I love, love, love to see your painting. We are having so much fun. This is just day one of the Barrels of Laughs. Also, if you're not officially signed up for the challenge, make sure you follow the link below. I can't wait to paint with you. Yay! Happy painting!